Hi everyone, welcome back to Historical Ryan, and today we uncover the history forgot. Today we're going back to South Africa to a war that changed everything, the Boer War. Who were the Boers? Good question. I'm a Boer, and yeah, the Boers were farmers, descendants of Dutch settlers who built their lives deep in South Africa. Proud, independent, and fiercely religious. They didn't like being told what to do, especially by the British Empire. The war begins in 1899. Tension exploded. The Boers, outnumbered but determined, fought back using guerrilla tactics, ambushing British troops across the field. They knew the land better than everyone, and for a while they were winning. Okay, the tragedy. But the British fought back very hard. Congrats. Burning farms and placing Boer families in concentration camps. That's horrible. Thousands of women and children didn't survive. Sadly, it was one of the darkest chapters in South African history. Okay, before closing the video, in the end, the British won the war, but the Boer spirit never truly died. Their fight shaped the nation we know today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I would appreciate it if you support the channel a lot. And it's been Historical Ryan. See you guys in the next video.